Meaning of deftly.
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 Deftly. Deftly means to do something in a skillful and quick way, demonstrating dexterity and proficiency. When someone does something deftly, they are efficient and effective in the execution of the task. For example, a chef might deftly chop vegetables, or a musician might deftly play an instrument. To be deft requires practice and experience, as well as a keen sense of coordination and timing. The end result of doing something deftly is a display of competence and expertise that is both impressive and satisfying to observe.